Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and are you looking for something colorful and bright to spice up your car? Well, you've come to the right place. The first thing that you'll notice about this steering wheel cover is its unique design, which I absolutely love. It comes with a variety of colors that are super bright, which stand out, and you can match them with a whole bunch of other car accessories. And the design is high quality. As you can see, every little stitch is embroidered, and it has a whole bunch of different fabrics and threads, which I do appreciate, and I know for certain that the steering wheel is going to last me a really long time. And you do not have to worry about the steering wheel cover slipping off because, as you can see, it has a really good grip. But most importantly, this serves as great protection from the hot temperatures or cold temperatures. My steering wheel specifically is made from a leather material, so it can get really hot or really cold depending on the weather. So I've actually found this to be super practical. I absolutely love the steering wheel. I've grown so attached to it. I've received so many compliments, but that's just my point of view.